How to fix game keeps crashing on Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix games keeps crashing on Windows 10. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can fix it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process on how we can fix it. In order to do that, you need to open up your laptop first, and after opening up your laptop, you just need to head over to the next step, that is running command prompt as your administrator. Just go to the search bar and type in command prompt. After that, you'll be able to see the screen. So here you're just going to type in the prompt that I'm showing on the screen right now, that is sfc/scan now, on the space in the middle. After that, hit that enter and wait for your scan to be completed. After that is done, the next step is you may just restart your device before that, after the scan is completed, and head over to the settings. After heading over to the settings, just open up your system on your laptop. After that, on the left side of the screen, you'll be able to find battery option here. Just go to battery first, and here you can see at the right side of the screen, you can see this pin changing power mode. Just change it into advanced power mode for it to work better. After that is done, just close your settings and hit enter Ctrl+R and enter the code that I'm showing on the screen. After that, click OK. After that, you need to go to this advanced settings, and here you can see these settings under performance. Just click on settings, and here adjust for best performance. You can see this adjust for best performance option on the third. Just do that. After that, apply and click on OK, and your performance should be better after this. After that, just close it, close everything, and your problem should probably be fixed. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.